statistically over the year. Super.
Yeah. But look at, you know, just little adjustments from the feet to get that exactly right.
Big come on from Pashek. So a good hold from Pashek. It's good hitting. So 1-1. And gets the first break. Didn't follow it in, Bartley paid the price.
It's from that end of the court because the wind's going to take it further down the court. So plenty of time for Paszek to get there.
Too good.
Well, the best winners so far have come from Paszek. Bit of an unlikely shot, you think, from this angle, but a big come on afterwards.
Wow, look at
Goodness.
that. I think she was quite wise to let that one drop.
Yes. She could have hit an underarm serve, actually. At least she laughed.
I mean, what else can you do? Look at that. Just running after it. Yeah, exactly. I think both of those reactions suitable. I mean, that's a clever shot.
Yep.
Brilliant. So she's got a winning mentality and attitude. She'll battle these conditions. She'll battle with getting her game right too. Just makes her so alert, doesn't it?
You know, bobbing around and just her feet going all the time. She's trying to make herself sharper.
Or literally just made do, and the wind did the rest. Apologises for it, but they'll probably be doing that all day. 4-1 first set, Bartley. That's good. And that shot going that Pashek just hit cross court, that's the one the wind seems to be really helping along.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, that was confidently done. And maybe Bartley thought he was going to go cross court again.
Oh, well done. Just hung in the point, and it was enough to get one of the breaks back. So Bartley breaks again.
Great return, standing up the court. It's the kind of thing Bartley does. Well watched. And Bartley doing the right thing coming in. Because look at this, the ball's going all over the place.
But as we said, you get those sort of balls in down the middle of the court, let the fun, have the wind, play with it.
Yep. Oh.
30, 40.
Nearly went over, actually.
She's still trying to smile about it, because what else can you do?
No, you just got to react. It's instinct in a wind like this. And you got the whole racket to play with, so why not?
Yeah. It is 4 breaks in a row, and Pashek demands to stay in this opening set with the rain. Super.
It's done with some skill in the end. Kind of pushes it over into court. Oh, it's beautiful timing.
Pretty flat too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
To hit through the wind. The ball for once not wobbling.
Exactly, but it has to be in the perfect position for you to swing through.
Good point. Plenty of margin and patience. Made it. What a save that is from Love 40. And we're seeing exactly why she had such a good junior career and won titles too.
Well, she's a feisty player. I love her attitude. She fights hard. She's got some big hits.
Brilliant. on the drop shot. But Chris Bradnam alongside Joe Jury to take you through the women's semi-finals.
14-7.
First ace of the match, which is hardly surprising. Just getting the serve in is a bit of a test today. Fabulous. What a point that was. How many adjustments needed? But it's the first set for Bartley in virtually an hour. 6 games to 4. 3 breaks to 2. The defending champion halfway to her second final in a row. Too good.
It is pretty typical of Eastbourne, though.
Yes.
Oh my goodness! How'd she get away with that?
Yeah, there's a smile half appearing.
Game is Bartley.
That's the one.
Game is Bartley.
It's a good save from Love 30 to extend the lead. Well, she didn't know whether she was coming or going, chasing that. The smile again. Well done.
Game is Bartley.
All boys and girls from Moira House and Cavendish School.
Game is Bartley.
Again, just wonderful serving from Bartley in these conditions.
Oh.
Game is Pashek.
Well, she's held first time this set. It's been a struggle. It continues to be, but she is still battling on. Bartley is set and 4-1.
No.
Another one just to laugh at. Cannot take that seriously.
No. That's a lovely shot.
Game Game is Pashek.
So one of the breaks back, as it was in the first set.
Miss Bartoli leads 4-2.
Brilliant.
Game is Pashek.
Oh.
Wow! What a point that was.
Absolutely smacking the ball around the court on occasion, but both of them had to move so far from side to side. Not over quite yet, Marion.
Yeah, that's generous from Pashek.
There's the back leg, comes straight up.
Well done, good hustle. Got a break point.
Yeah, because I thought this volley was going to be good enough with the angle from Bartley. Great get from Paszek to control it.
Game is Pashek.
4 games apiece in a row, second set. It's 4-all.
Oh dear, nothing you can do. Miss hit return, the wind takes it.
Brilliant. How clean was that? She's made one. From the easier position, of course. Because when you see this, it's almost inconceivable that she'd only won 2 matches all year coming into Eastbourne.
Yes, quite. And we just saw how many winners she hit, and there's another one. That's 28 winners.
Fabulous hold from 15-40. Love 4 down as well in this set, but some scoreboard pressure on Bartley. It's the toughest set now she's had in the tournament. 4-5. She's only won 2 from 8 behind a second.
I think she just told her father to turn the camera off, which he's doing.
Hastily. He's actually removing it, putting it away. He was banished at Wimbledon last year from the court.
I did that match. That was extraordinary.
done. It took him a while too, because he had so many bags with him, didn't he?
Yes, to try and get out. There was him and her mum were there. But, you know, he said afterwards, that's what was needed for the match. That's fine, I'm going. So if she wants the camera off, he'll turn it off.
Oh,
that was it.
Way in.
I thought that was it.
No Hawkeye here. School's been caught. She can't believe it.
I thought the wind brought it in.
She's easily.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even that fast because of the wind, she's saying. Let's have another look.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely caught
That
the line.
caught the line.
Just makes you realise how much you miss Hawkeye when it's not around. Brilliant.
Oh, that was in. Bartley thought it was out.
Pashek holds. Bartley's going to have to hold serve again to stay in this second set. Like that and that.
Yep. Very wise shot.
That's in too. Brilliant. Breaks to love.
Game is Bartoli.
Too good. Wow. Good defence from Bartley. Extends the lead.
Bartoli leads 2 games to love.
Yeah, smart play.
Oh, got there in the end.
That took a left and a right turn, that ball, on the way through.
40-30.
Done it again. Very clever.
Made it. And hangs in this final set. made it. And what a big point.
Yeah, there you go. Hit through that one.
Yeah, Miss Pashek.
They're level again. Made one of those at last.
Well, made a few now, Chris. She's sorted it out. She's not trying to be so delicate on it, but just really slicing it, almost like you would play for an approach shot.
Yeah, Miss Pashek.
Nothing you can do about that. Well done, Marion Bartley. She needs a bit of luck right now.
30-15.
That's on the line.
Okay, Miss Pashek.
She moved pretty well up to that.
40 love. Game is Bartoli.
For the first set in that other quarter-final. That is fabulous. Yeah, plenty of heart and a love game. Puts her to within a game of the final. It's 5-4 final set. She slipped right on that leg too. That is not going to help at all.
That's tremendous. She's going to limp back.
40-30.
She's got it. That is some comeback. From a set of 4 love down, 2 love down in the third, Pashek has beaten and injured a lame at the end Marion Bartley, the defending champion here at Eastbourne. Huge shame for her. But Pashek battled brilliantly and is in the final.
I love her character, I really do. She's a fighter, and you know the way her year's gone, this is fantastic for her.
A match in such windy conditions.
I've played one close to it, but this was unbeatable today. I think, first of all, I want to say thanks to all of you who stayed out here in this wind, in this freezing cold, watching us play some good tennis, some horrible tennis. So, yeah, I'm really happy to be through to the final.
How difficult was it for you to adjust your game to deal with the breeze?
Oof, very difficult. I was down a set, down 2 breaks, and I just tried to hang in there. It was couple of close games I was there, but then I missed a couple. So, you know, Marion's a great competitor, one of the greatest ones on tour. So I knew it was tough to play her, but I'm really happy that I made it.
And we'll see you back here on centre court for the final tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, Tamira Paszek.
I don't think she'll be practicing anymore today, do you?
I don't think so. You just want to get out of this wind.